Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to get into the Splendour world and how to listen to the music tracks live. A lot of you I noticed are struggling a bit and watching my videos on that, so I wanted to show you. So what we do, go to, from your desktop, you just want to open up Sansar, which you should have downloaded already on PC. As far as I know, you can't do it on Mac, could be wrong, let me know in the comments. You've got to wait for this to boot up. You need a pretty beastie computer for this. Mine's at the minimum requirements, I'd say, with a Radeon R9 290X graphics card. I get terrible frame rates, but my friend who's got a computer a few years newer says it works perfectly. So just see how you go. It might not work. Ignore this. I don't actually have VR. I was just experimenting with PlayStation VR, which, as far as I could tell, I couldn't get to work using actual 3D VR. I could only get it in cinema mode. So once you've opened this up, you get this Nexus. Just wait for it to load. You might have to go through and make an avatar if you haven't already. I've already designed my guy, you'll see in a sec. So this is like the hub where you can meet your friends and things like that if you've made any friends. I've added a friend here, Ashton. This tells me he's online 2 minutes ago. This is my character. Okay, this is what it looks like. Then to get into the gigs, if you want to do it quick, I'll just quickly show you. You can run around WASD, right click with the mouse to steer. F3 gets you into first person mode and you can run around like that. All sorts of other things. You can do dance moves and whatnot with the numbers. That's all on this left menu here. But if you want to get into it quickly, because the set times are set, you got to hit this go button, and then you want to go to events. Then from here, Splendour Day 1, join event, okay? It might not always join you with a friend. If you are with a friend, it's got different instances, so like mini servers, because it couldn't handle too many people at once, I guess. So I think there's a way you can jig that. Let me know in the comments if you know. So then, there you go, bang, we're in the festival. So what you want to do from here, this will be other players with you again, whoever got into the same instance as you. With my mate, we found that if we join at the same time, it seemed to work. We tried a portal, that didn't work, other things. Joining a specific instance, couldn't find the option, but it might be possible. So anyway, this is the guide of what's happening. This is where the set times, I should say. So like the PDF I just had up on my screen, find where you want to go. In my case, I want to go to the amphitheater. So you just highlight it, probably easier in first person. Just highlight it like so. I think that was amphitheater. Bang. And then visit. You can create a portal. That's if you want to try and, I don't know exactly, maybe invite a friend, but that didn't seem to work. Visit. Then from here, it'll load again. Hopefully my mic's not too loud. Sorry. Can get rid of that if you want. And just bring it back over this side if you need it. Chat. If you want to add friends, it's through that friends and people on the left as well. Alright. Cool. Getting in there. Couple good ones left, a couple good artists, and then it's all day tomorrow. So if you're not set up for tonight, you can just catch it tomorrow. There's still some good artists that I can see. I love them all, so I'm really loving it. Here in Adelaide, Australia, under lockdown. Even without, I would be loving it. So there you go, bang. Can't say for sure whether I'm my friend Ashton, but I can teach you how to do that. If you want to know, just hit me up in the comments. These are all different characters, and you see up the top left, my frame rate's 1. So I struggle, but do you know what? If you just find a decent spot, once it's actually loaded, and it will do, this actually clears up nicely. Because I'm recording this as I stream, it's even like far worse than what it actually is. So that's what you want. And then when the artist comes on, provided you're in the right area, like provided they're playing at the stage that you've selected or entered, in my case amphitheater, then you'll see them pop up here, and it's awesome. Just so you know, as far as I can tell, you only hear the sound from the other players around you. So there are also options here to mute or to adjust the settings if they're a bit loud, or if you get into sort of vulgar stuff. It doesn't happen often, it's actually quite funny. You can adjust the voice level here, and I think this might have something to do with hearing your friends versus hearing others, or how close they can get, not sure. So yeah, that's it. Splendour XR, July 2021, loving it. Hope you guys enjoy.